Have you applied hundreds of jobs in the UAE but still are not getting any interview calls? Then the problem might not be your experience, it could be your resume, right? In this video, I will show you the ATS-friendly UAE resume format that recruiters actually prefer. And at the end, I will show you a resume template that can save you hours of work. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Subhendu Betal, a BIM coordinator with more than 12 years of experience working on projects across the UAE, Saudi Arabia, UK and the US. I regularly review resumes for engineers and BIM professionals, and today I will show you how to build a professional UAE style resume. Okay, so I will show you a resume first that fails because of these reasons. Okay, so this is the resume I reviewed last week. Like, this CV maybe looks like format wise good, very approaching, but I don't prefer this type of format because this type of format got problem for the ATS software. This type of images or this format fails when the ATS software search a CV. So in the first step you failed because of this template, because of these designs. Okay, and next thing I will show you, like, what is the ATS do, like for keyword, how ATS search a relevant CV for the recruiters. Like, if a recruiter searching a advertising a job for the Revit modeler or like Revit experience holder, ATS they will put the keyword for the Revit or BIM or Navis. So ATS software they will search with the Revit. When they will search with the Revit, it cannot find this CV. This CV will be rejected in the first step only. But although the candidate mentioned Revit here, BIM here, although they mentioned all these things, all these keywords, but still it is failing for the ATS software. Then what is the use of this template? It's failing, right? So you are rejected on the first step itself. Your CV is not reaching up to the recruiters. It's failing on the ATS software as well. So this is the problem, and this is the problem with your CV. I think if you are facing or you are not getting the interview calls, you are facing any rejection or anything. So okay, so I will show you my template which I claim as a ATS friendly template, and this template helps me to get 2 jobs in a year. Okay, it helps me to get the offer letter, 2 offer letter in a year. Also from BIM modeler to BIM coordinator, it helps me to got the BIM coordinator role from the BIM modeler. You know, it is very difficult to for this transition, right? From modeler to coordinator, get the job is very difficult, but it helps me to get that job, and also helps me to get many calls, many recruiter calls, many emails. They contacted me for the jobs, many jobs. Okay, so this is the CV. I spent many hours to build this CV, and after that this template uh, that helps me very well. Okay, so let's get back to the point. I will just explain every section and how your simple ATS friendly UAE resume template looks like. Okay, so getting started with your name, you have to put your name first in the template, and your target role you have to mention here. Then your professional picture you have to paste here, and you need to put your location, mobile number and email ID. These contact details are enough for a recruiter. No need other details like passport number, no religion, no marital status. These are nothing, no need. After that comes to the professional summary. Here you have to mention your years of experience, current role, software and which industry you are working for. This is the first section that recruiters read. Okay, so you have to mention at least 80 to 120 words about your all the details. Okay, this is for a reference, you can refer as well. So next will be the area of expertise. Your area of expertise we have to mention. Just instead of writing random skills, just group them like all the softwares in one point, and your trades, your BIM related experience in which you are expert. So that one you have to mention in the area of expertise. Again, after that comes with the most important part, it is work experience. You have to mention your work experience, uh, like this first will be your present job, and after that it will be your last job, and again last to last, like that it will go down. Okay, you have to mention your company name, location, your current position, designation, and your time frame from which year to which year you work for that company. And here you have to mention your job details, which are you are doing from, and your some key projects name you can mention here. Okay, for the details you can make another document which calls portfolio, project portfolio. In that portfolio you can write your detailed project details for the recruiter. Okay, another thing I just to mention in this point, like instead of writing responsible for coordination, you just put like this. I highlighted this one, like coordinated multidisciplinary BIM models using Revit, Navis for residential project. Okay, instead of writing responsible for coordination, you can rewrite the sentence like this. Actually, why this is important, like this you can input your BIM keywords into this sentence. Okay, like responsible for coordination, maybe only coordination is the keyword, but in this sentence you can put BIM, Autodesk, Revit, Navis. Okay, residential tower coordination. So many ATS keywords you can put in this sentence. So like this it will help you to get the to fill all the ATS words, and also the manage your purpose. Okay, like that you have to fill all your work discipline, work experience, and after that it comes education. Here just mention your college name, location, and your discipline, and which time you passed out, your year of passing. That's enough. And after that it comes the certification. You have to add your certifications. UAE recruiters prefer this part. They ask your certification. They prefer you. They give you preference if you have relevant certification in your job. So it's better to, for the BIM peoples, it's better to relevant certification like Autodesk, Revit, so ISO 9650, ACC, or any other professional training that supports your profile. Don't put random one. uh, okay, it's related to your job. Don't put any training you got in the college or school, any certification, not it's related to your job. So if you are from BIM, the certification should be related to BIM. Okay, that's it. After that you can put other skills. If you want, you can put other skills, and I put some personal details regarding my languages, and you can put your LinkedIn profile URL, so recruiter can directly click on that link and visit your LinkedIn profile, so that will be better. So that's it regarding the template. This is the UAE resume template, which is ATS friendly and help me to get uh, from get the my dream job from BIM modeler to BIM coordinator. Okay, so just quickly I will mention something like what is ATS. ATS is application tracking system. Okay, so they have some keywords which recruiter mentioned, and tell ATS software to search with these words, and which candidate CV match with these keywords. Just sort out that CV and send back to me. So if your CV has those keywords, so it will your CV will be sort out, right, with the ATS software. If don't, then your CV will be rejected at the first step itself. So I have prepared some ATS keywords for all discipline, like for architecture, ID, structural, mechanical, electrical. Okay, so if you need them, you can directly contact me, and my details will be in the description, so I can share with them. Okay, so I think that's it for today's session. And so actually the main purpose is for you, like for instead of starting from a blank page every time, this template gives you a professional structure that you can personalize with your own experience. Okay, but I don't guarantee its interview with this template, but it will help you. It will help you uh, to save time and improving the CV every time once you complete any certification or you change your job. So just every time keep updating this CV. So I think that's it for today's session. Also, if you would like this ATS friendly resume template, okay, you can contact me through the details in the description. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who currently looking for a job in the UAE. And in my next video, I will explain how to optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters. Thank you very much. Have a good day.